Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. As with every video, I want to thank all of you guys for the support you've been showing on the channel. Immensely appreciate it. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. For today's video, I thought I would talk about stocks that have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week. Stocks that I think are very good buy and hold stocks, as well as dividend capture, swing trading types of stocks as well. The first two, I definitely believe that. The last stock is a smaller cap company, but I still think it has some longer term potential, if not a very, very good dividend capture, swing trading stock, like I said. So the three stocks I'll be talking about will be IRM, up on screen here, Iron Mountain, TUP Tupperware, as well as the lesser known stock here, at least from my past research, OMI, Owens and Minor, but still a stock I think that has some long-term potential. TUP here and IRM definitely, and I think OMI as well, a very good stock, potential stock for dividend capture swing trading. So the first stock here, IRM, Iron Mountain, up on screen here, is a stock that I've talked about on prior videos, a stock I have been looking at for some time as a standalone buy and hold stock, a dividend income type of stock, a very good stock that has a durable competitive advantage in its market segment. As you can see on the bottom there, it is engaged in the storage, information business, management solutions, a number of different spaces that it occupies, a number of different companies. You can see the earnings here up on screen, Q1 through Q4 2017, very, very good earnings. Dividend yield in the middle here, 5.93%. Because the stock has come back a bit. The dividend yield is currently over 7%. So very, very compelling dividend income type of stock. PE ratio is a bit high, but for this market segment, it is not extremely high. So I think it is a reasonably valued stock at the moment, especially as the price has come back over the last 3 months or so, as we'll talk about here. Market cap, a very large company, $9.41 billion. If we take a look up at its performance, as the market has been coming back a bit, most stocks are in the green over the past 1 week. No exception here to Iron Mountain, 5.56% up. But if we take a little bit longer perspective here, only 0.15% over the last 1 month. And then 3 months here, you can see it's down 16.08%. If we take an even longer look here, you can see there may be some buying opportunity in here. At one point, this stock was up over $40. I think this stock should be able to get back to $35 very, very easily. So I think this is a great stock for dividend capture, swing trade, but I think it's also a very good standalone buy and hold stock. Again, dividend that is now over 7%, historically a dividend over 5%, and a very safe dividend, as well as an increasing dividend over the past 5 or 6 years. So a very good stock, a stock I think I would buy and hold on its own. Another stock that may be a very good buy and hold stock is Tupperware here, TUP. You guys probably have heard of the Tupperware brand, but it also has a number of other brands that it operates. Earnings here you can see, Q4 2017, very, very good earnings. Q1 to Q3 2017, not as good, but still very robust earnings. Dividend yield on the bottom there. And actually, just to back up here a bit, I did not give the dates for the ex-dividend dates. So on Iron Mountain here, IRM, the ex-dividend date will be on the 14th. So again, you have to buy it before the 14th, hold on the start of trading on the 14th, and then you can sell off to capture that dividend. Payment date will be on the 2nd of April, a 59-cent dividend per share for about a 4.11% overall dividend for Iron Mountain there. So sorry about that. So those are the dates. You have to buy it before the 14th, hold it until the start of trading on the 14th, and then you can sell off to capture the dividend for Iron Mountain. So again, Tupperware, a very large company as well, not as big as Iron Mountain, $2.61 billion. If we take a look, and I'm not quite sure why the PE ratio is showing as NA there, because you see that it is a profitable company, Q4 2017 there. Typically when there is a negative PE ratio, when the company is not profitable, you'll see that NA there. So not quite sure why that's showing like that. Just like Tupperware, or excuse me, just like Iron Mountain, Tupperware also has had some good performance over the past 1 week. The past 1 month, however, and 3 months, you can see it's down by quite a large margin. Again, maybe a great buying opportunity for a buy and hold investor. A 5-year graph here, you can really see this stock has been up and down. And really, this is very minimal to swing trading type of activity. The dividend, from what I have understood, is safe, and I don't see the dividend going away anytime soon. So this might be a very good contrarian type of play, buying for the dividend, passive income, but also selling off at a later point in a swing trade type of strategy. So the important dates for Tupperware here, TUP, the ex-dividend date will be on the 19th. So again, you have to buy the stock before the 19th. The payment date will be on the 5th of April, 68 cents per share for a dividend of just over 5.4%. So another very good stock that may be a very good buy and hold stock over the longer term as well. And the third stock here, OMI, Owens & Minor. If you go to the bottom here, you can see this is a healthcare logistics company. Still doing some research on this company, but you can see here the earnings have fallen off a bit over the past couple quarters here. From Q1 to Q4 2017, they have come back a bit, especially that Q4 2017. The dividend yield is very nice, 5.456%. PE ratio is about average for this market segment. You can see it's a smaller cap stock there, only $1.05 billion for market cap. If we go to the performance, you can see again over the past 1 week in the green, as most companies have been. Longer perspective here, still in the green over the past 1 month here, 3 months, as you can see, along with essentially the entire market. It is down here a bit. The 1 year graph as well, it's down 50.44%. You can see really some very big pullbacks here in the price of the stock. And over the last 5 years, you can see really how that price of the stock has trailed off. So again, this would be a much riskier type of investment. IRM, I think, is the best. TUP, I think, is very safe. This is a very risky type of dividend capture swing trade, but I definitely wanted to present this one. The important dates for this one, 14th of March will be the ex-dividend date. The payment date will be on the 30th of March, 26 cents per share, for a dividend of about 6.27%. So this one, definitely the most risky of the three stocks to buy for dividend capture swing trade. But again, I wanted to present three here, three different market segments, three different types of stocks here. So Owens & Minor company, pharmaceutical logistics company, TUP here, Tupperware, household brands, and IRM here, information technology type of stock, actually storage and information management systems. But a very good stock here, real estate investment trust type of stock as well. Very nice dividend yield and a very sustainable dividend over the longer term. So I think this is the safest stock here. IRM, TUP would be the second, and OMI here would be the a little bit more risky type of investment to get into. So three stocks here, three stocks for potential dividend capture swing trade. And again, IRM and TUP would also be very good stocks for a longer term buy and hold, or a stock if you can't get out of swing trade immediately, you can hold it for the longer term, pick up the dividend, and then sell it off at a later point. A very key point of the type of strategy I utilize for dividend capture swing trade. Stocks that I'm more than happy to hold for the longer term, pick up the dividend, and then sell the stock off at a later point without losing any money on the trade if the stock does not rebound after the ex-dividend date. So I just wanted to go through these three stocks here. As always, let me know if these are good stocks, if you would consider these in dividend capture swing trade, or if you guys have better stocks out there. These were the three best ones I could find for the next week. But that does not mean these are the best ones out there. So please let me know if you have a better stock out there, a safer stock for longer term buy and holds, or a better dividend yield given the risk of the underlying company. So either way, let me know. Not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys have any great video ideas, please let me know. Adding it to my spreadsheet. Definitely want to get some more videos out here when I have some more time. Definitely appreciate all of your guys' suggestions for stocks as well, dividend captures, as well as buy and hold stocks. So kind of with this, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.